Hello, welcome to my channel.
Good morning, kids. Welcome back to ABC Kids English. Today we're going to learn all about morning routines. Are you ready? Let's get started. Waking up. The first thing we do in the morning is wake up. Can you say wake up? Great job. Repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. Brushing teeth. Next, we brush our teeth. Can you say brush teeth? Awesome. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth every morning. Washing face. After brushing our teeth, we wash our face. Can you say wash face? Fantastic. Repeat after me. I wash my face to feel fresh. Getting dressed. Now it's time to get dressed. Can you say get dressed? Excellent. Repeat after me. I get dressed for the day. Eating breakfast. Breakfast time. Can you say eat breakfast? Wonderful. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast to start my day. Packing school bag. Don't forget to pack your school bag. Can you say pack school bag? Great. Repeat after me. I pack my school bag with everything I need. Saying goodbye. Finally, we say goodbye to our family. Can you say goodbye? Perfect. Repeat after me. I say goodbye before I leave. Well done, kids. You've learned all the important words for your morning routine. Remember to practice these words every day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ABC Kids English for more fun lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.